Hello, first grade friends. In this video, we are going to learn about the suffixes full, ly, and y. Let's start with full. When we add the letters F-U-L, full, to the end of a word, it means that it is full of. So let's look at a couple examples. We have the word help. If we want to say that something or someone is full of help, we would write help full, helpful. If we want to say that something is full of care, we would say careful. If something is full of truth, we'll add F-U-L and make truthful. If something is full of play, we can say that it is playful. If something or someone is full of cheer, we can say that it is cheerful. If something is full of hope, we can say it is hopeful. And last, if something is full of color, we can say that it is colorful. Let's look next at our ly suffix. When we add ly to the end of a word, it means that it is done in a particular way. Let's look at the first one, close. If something is done closely, it means that it's happening in a close way. If something is done badly, it means it's being done in a bad way. If something is done bravely, it's being done in a brave way. If it's done sadly, it's done in a sad way. If we add ly to the end of proud, it becomes proudly. So something happened in a proud way. Next, we have safe. Safely means that it was done in a safe way. Last, we have glad. If something is done gladly, that means it's done in a glad way. Our last suffix is adding y. When we add y to the end of a word, it can mean that it's full of or in a particular way. If we add the letter y to snowy, it means it is full of snow or in a snow way. In a snow way doesn't really make sense, so we know that it is full of snow. For example, it's snowy outside. Outside is full of snow. Next, we have grouch. If we add y to the end, it becomes grouchy. We know that grouchy can mean angry or crabby. So, if someone does something in a grouchy way, it means they're full of grouch or anger, or it's done when someone is full of grouch. Next, we have soapy. If we add y to the end of soap, it means that something is full of soap. If we add a y to thirst, it becomes thirsty, which means that something or someone is full of thirst. If we add a y to the end of dust, it becomes dusty, or full of dust. When we say that something is bumpy, it means that it's full of bumps, or in a bump type of way. Last, we have our word cloud. When we add Y to the end of cloud, it means that something is full of clouds, like the sky is cloudy today. So, to review, our suffix full, F-U-L, means that something is full of. For example, the word helpful. The teacher was helpful to her students. The teacher was full of help. When we add ly or ly, it means in a blank way. For close, we could say the boy watched the baseball game closely. We could say that the boy was watching the baseball game in a close way. Last, we have our suffix y, which means full of or in a blank way. So for example, the word snow. It is snowy outside. The word snowy is saying that outside is full of snow. On your own, you are going to complete a suffix worksheet. You will need a paper clip and a pencil. Let's do an example together. What you will do is use a paper clip to make a spinner. Spin a base word right here and an ending or a suffix. If you can put the parts together and make a real word, write it on a leaf boat. If the two parts don't make a real word, spin again. You may use a suffix more than once to make a new word. So let's try one together. I'm going to put my paper clip down, put my pencil right here, and spin. I got the word quick. Let's see what suffix we'll add. I got ly, which makes quickly. Quickly means it was done in a quick way. On your own, I'd like for you to finish filling in the rest of the leaf boats, making new words with base words and suffixes. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.